During my visit at Stanford University, I decided to start a spin-off company. Now we want to build new technologies which will change the world. This is our aim. We want to give new opportunities to producers, game developers, and to regular people. We specialize in sound and speech analysis. We want to build software which will be widely used.
SoundToolKit is a tool that helps you create more immersive sound, that helps you make the virtual reality more believable.
Most of the sound we hear on today's games are 2D sound, not 3D. We don't hear from the above and below. And this is what SoundToolKit is trying to change. We are trying to make people aware of how the sound can actually sound in games, as much immersive and realistic to real life as possible.
SoundToolKit is audio engine which simulates all audio effects for games, for virtual reality, possibly for films and for designing of the buildings. It scans the space using beams and rays, and then it simulates all physical phenomena using filters.
SoundToolKit uses a 3D model of the actual scene or the scene that the game developer envisioned and propagates sound in it. It uses geometrical techniques to find places where the sound bounces off things, where it diffracts on sharp edges, where it is dispersed in the environment.
One of our biggest advantages is that we simulate full diffraction effect. The effect that you hear someone coming through the door, not only the level of the sound changes, but also the frequencies change. We simulate all that in real time.
It is actually the newest games which have worlds automatically generated. It is necessary to use this kind of engines. I believe both our products and similar engines will start to be very necessary in coming virtual reality experiences, games, and so on.
In SoundToolKit, we take care about acoustic environment on the scene. To do that, we define acoustic materials and its properties located around the scene. On every wall, every floor, every ceiling, we define properties of the materials to simulate effects that will happen when the sound incidents this partition.
For 3 decades, the whole industry were focused on graphics. Now I believe it's the next stage of this revolution. This stage considers sound enhancement, and SoundToolKit, I believe, is kind of an answer for this situation.
In SoundToolKit we can recreate every existing building, but not only. Figure out that you can virtually listen how it sounds in a house built of, you name it, milk, glass, wood, whatever you want. You are limited only by your imagination.
Now, sound design is laborious, long, and in most part, manual process. And the effect is not always satisfying. And the SoundToolKit is kind of a response for these issues. It's cheaper, the whole process is quicker, and the sound in games, it's most immersive, like it never was before.
SoundToolKit is pretty interesting because it gives both lower costs and better quality, which is, I guess, a rare combination.
One of the 2 big advantages for SoundToolKit is that it will be a lot easier to use than other currently available game audio engines. It will look like that you will only have to load up the scene, export meshes, and set acoustical materials. We have a plugin ready for both Unreal Engine and Unity, so basically you have 2 of the biggest game engines already covered.
I have an opportunity to work with brilliant, passionate minds. And this technology, now I know it, can change the world a bit, especially the game industry. And now I am a believer.